La 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 la. Watermelon, watermelon. All right, we good? We good. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandy Morgan and we talk about all things freelance, working remote, and creating the life that you want. If you want to be part of this freelance family, make sure to hit that subscribe button now, and of course, like this video so I know you are still enjoying this content. Today's video is going to be much shorter. I am going to give you very quick tips on how you as a freelance software developer, web developer can earn more money. So these are things that you can include in your proposal and in your packages that you create when you sell your skills. If you do not know what I am talking about, make sure to go to my freelancing school. There's a link in the description. It's called doschool.co. It'll give you everything you need to know to master freelancing and client acquisition. The first thing that you can do as a freelance web developer is you can create specific packages for the websites that you design and you build that they also include a monthly maintenance fee and also a hosting fee. If you are somebody that deals with a ton of small businesses that maybe are not super technical, why not offload the entire burden of that technical aspect onto you for a small fee every single month? That can range from like a couple $100, like 500 to 1,000, depending on how big this company is. You figure out what's right for your clients or for your particular clients, because you also want to make sure that that fee isn't just a straight fee for all your clients. It's going to vary based on how big that client is and based on their needs. When we talk about maintenance fees, we're referring to any sort of website updates. Maybe they are running ads all the time and they need those changed, or they need copy changed, or they need blog posts added, or they need product added or merchandise, whatever it is. They can pay you, the technical expert, to make those changes for them for a monthly fee. You can also include in that fee a hosting charge, because it's going to cost to host. If they don't want to have to ever deal with it, they can just pay you and you will handle the hosting. You would need that outlined in your proposal and also in your contract. And oftentimes what I do is I will have two separate things. I will have a contract for work, and then I will have a contract for any sort of monthly maintenance that's going to be required, because sometimes that only is going to extend 6 months after the project, or it can be an ongoing month-to-month thing. And in talking about these different contracts and these different packages, is you can create different packages as a freelancer that you offer to clients, especially to small businesses. Create a specific small business package that makes your services look appealing to them. Maybe you're going to give them a discount the first month hosting for free, or something like that, which is really a small charge for you, but to them, that could be the deal breaker with picking you over somebody else. So your goal as a freelancer is to make it as easy as possible for them to say yes to working with you. The next thing that you can do as a freelance software developer or web developer is offer some sort of analytics, some sort of data analysis to go with your skill set of building their application or their site. Whether you use some sort of third party, which is what I do, to analyze the analytics or to set up the analytics, you need to be the person that interprets that data and then tells them what it means and how it's affecting their business, and then what they can do to fix it, which usually is going to in turn be on you. So adding that sort of analytical and data analysis into your, scope of work, or when you're talking to clients, they're really, really going to like that, because they have no idea. All they know is that they need customers to come to their website and make purchases. Your job as the web developer and the site builder and site designer is to make their business as attractable as possible for those customers to buy their products or to go with their service over all the other ones. So you need to sell that. You need to sell that dream that you are the expert and that you know exactly what to do to get those clients. And you also know how to iterate. If you are not getting clients to the website, or the app or the people in their app are not doing what they're supposed to be doing and they're falling off, you need to know how to read that data and interpret it for your client. If you are able to do that, and that skill set alone, you can charge a lot more. I highly recommend, either going on YouTube or going with Google or something that offers analytics or data analysis courses for free, and start taking them and start understanding them. If you come from the programming background, which I'm assuming you do if you're watching this video, since it's about software development or web development, you will have an understanding of what the data is saying, and you will also know how to interpret it and then spit it back out in code form. You will know how to make those changes. All right, so those are really the two major things that you can do to increase money as a freelance web developer. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Once again, I have